Humility is the fear of the Lord. Its wages are riches and honor and life. Proverbs chapter 22 verses 4. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In this video, I want to show you the new way that I've learned to make my Ayoyo soup for my Tuozaafi. It's extremely delicious and you don't even need to add any bicarbonate soda or Okro. It is very slimy, super tasty, and I need you all to try it. It's extremely very simple as well. If you are interested, please make sure you stick around, stay tuned while we enjoy this. And before that, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's get started with it. So here are the list of ingredients that I'll be using. I also listed down below in the description box. So I have my dried herring, some shrimp powder, some dawa or locust bean, some pepper, and a bit of salt and onions as well. Here you can see my very fresh Ayoyo malokaya leaves. If you do not have the fresh one, do not worry, you can use the frozen one. It works perfectly. I've tried with the frozen one as well, and it's also amazing. So I'm going to pick out the amount of leaves that I'll be needing, and once I'm done, I'll just give it a very nice wash and also make sure I hand pick all the ones that are not healthy. It is important for you to wash it thoroughly. Make sure you wash it about 2 to 3 times until you see that the color of the water is nice and crystal clear. Please make sure you handpick all the ones that are not healthy and decolored. So once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and make a stock. This is the stock that makes this soup extremely delicious. Once you miss this, your soup is not going to taste good at all. So I am going to go ahead and add a little amount of water, add my shrimp seasoning, a bit of salt, and my herring powder, not forgetting the dawa is going to give it that umami flavor and that aroma that you know that yes, this dish is coming straight from Ghana. You know, the African vibes. I also drop in few peppers for that heat and kick. So I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. And before, what I used to do is I added this to the leaf and boil it thoroughly together. And most of the time you will notice that after you're done doing it, the green soup or your Ayoyo soup will start to draw or lose its drawiness. Okay, so using this method has been extremely great, and it's amazing how you do not even need any bicarbonate soda. I always say, if you're cooking African food, try and make it as natural as possible, especially when it comes to these green leaves and stuff like that. They contain tons of nutrients that are great for our body, the African body, I mean. So this is the time for us to treat our leaves very well. I'm going to partially blend this smoothly. The best way to blend this is to use your mortar and pestle to just pound it. It is the best way. I'm using my blender this time and I'm using the pulse button. So the water that we put on fire is boiling now, so we're going to add our Ayoyo right here. You know, it's not very smooth, especially smooth. I went in with fresh Ayoyo just to also create that illusion of having fresh leaves in there. Sometimes you want to see it in your food. It is absolutely amazing this way. If you are someone who does not like too much textured food like this, you want to go ahead and blend it extremely smooth. That is also well. So now I am going to boil this for about 10 minutes, and we do not want to lose the drawiness, so you just want to constantly stir and make sure you whisk it as you see me do on your screens. Do that for about 10 minutes and your Ayoyo should be fine and very well cooked. I also went in with some few peppers because I love me some heat, y'all. It is absolutely amazing to have in some fresh green peppers in there. Oh my goodness, you really want to try it. Add in few and allow this to cook for the next 5 minutes, and you will have your most delicious Ayoyo green soup for your Tuozaafi and for all your special needs that you need your green soup for. Even if you are making ayoyo soup like the red one that I also made on my channel, you can go ahead and try this method. You're going to absolutely love it. So just allow this to cool after it cooking for 15 good minutes, and just now add your stock. This is how you're not going to lose the churriness. This is how your ayoyo soup for your Tuozaafi is going to taste extremely delicious. This was one tip from one Amalia in our junction who sell Yeho, and let me tell you, after trying this, it has been my favorite ever since. So why not share for everyone here to also enjoy? This is how I've been making my ayoyo soup recently and is bathing. It is absolutely delicious. Here there is no bicarbonate soda or count. Anytime you add bicarbonate soda, be sure to see your beautiful green ayoyo soup turn black. So you can see the pure evidence. No bicarbonate soda, no addition of okra here. It is pure green and it's just lovely. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Go ahead and serve it with your dear. Even banku goes with this as well. It is so good, fam. I just did not want to keep this to myself. I had to come here and share so that you know how to make your green soup the next time you want to. All right, so this has been the Amalia and the Hajia tips they've been keeping away from us. Now it's here for free. So just go ahead and enjoy your ayoyo soup more lately, and let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. Yes, this Tuozaafi was extremely delicious. I enjoyed it a whole lot. The ayoyo was on 100%. I absolutely love it. This was a day after, and look at this. It's still holding its sliminess. It is absolutely amazing. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. I hope that you share with your friends and family who want to just take their ayoyo soup on a whole different level. And also, if you're looking for a full detailed recipe on how to make Tuozaafi, I have few of them here. I'm going to link it here and below, so please do well to check it out. You are going to enjoy your Tuozaafi more and more after this. Share so that others will also enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, family. I really enjoyed your time with me. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and share with your friends once again. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye. Love you.